Hello guys, my name is Rajesh. Today I talk about how to create a progress bar in iOS using Swift UI. So here you can look at the demo. There is a navigation bar titled progress bar, and here is a tag that's showing the progress of a linear progress bar, and there is a two button, start button and reset button. When I click on start, it gets started and it takes around 10 seconds to finish that progress. You can adjust according to your need, like 30-second, 20-second, 60-second, whatever you want. And when I click on reset, it set the progress to 0. So for that I am creating a view, a separate view for that progress bar view, so I can reuse it anywhere. So just I'm taking a new file, Swift UI view, and name it progress bar view. I make it separate so I can use it anywhere where I need a progress bar. And here you can see that there is a shape, that is a, for that shape I am using a capsule here that providing that shape capsule, and for that width I am just using a UI screen dot main dot bounds dot width here, and just giving some foreground color dot gray. And here you can see that in that demo, when I click on start, there is another capsule shape that overlap that. So for that I am using another capsule here, and to get that overlapping I am just using a Z stack here. And in this demo you can see that there is a progress. So for that progress I am using that text here, and progress, and taking a vertical stack, and the capsule is actually holding the whole screen. So what I need to give, just a height, set the height of that stack, Z stack, and now it's look quite good, but there is a no spacing. So what I need to give here, I'm just -20 from the width for spacing, and there is a gray color there. So what I need to do, I just give it some red color, or I'm just giving here blue color so it look like this. And here there is progress text is not showing in the middle. So what I need to do, I'm just giving some alignment, trailing, and if you want to give some spacing, so I just give it some spacing 10. And here you can see that our progresses look like this. And now I need to move on my content view, and here you can see that there is a two button. So I'm just taking a two button here, button. First one is start, and to make the button look like this, so I am just using a button style, and here I am using a modifier, custom button style, that is a custom modifier. Here you can see that there is a file helper in which that custom button style is a modifier. I make it my own. So in my next video I will tell about you how to make a custom modifier. So for that, leave it like that and give it name reset. And for that I'm just using here vertical stack, for giving some spacing I am just using a spacing 20, and and here I am just using that. I created my progress bar view here, and to look like this there is just some space, so I am just using a spacer for that here. Now it's look quite good, but there is something missing. There is a navigation bar title is missing, so I am just creating a navigation view here. And here I'm using a navigation bar title and give it name progress bar. So here you can see that in a preview, our preview is looking good. The first part in which we created the progress bar view design. In the next part we create the logic of that progress bar using a timer. So I hope you enjoy my video. If you think this is helpful for you, so please share and subscribe my channel, and thanks and take care. Goodbye.